Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today we are going to be talking about the Inrange command. Specifically, we're going to do an example where we use the Inrange command to make a binary variable more easily. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be using this auto data set and we're going to be trying to create this new variable called good miles per gallon. Now here I have defined good miles per gallon in a way that we maybe are more used to, where it's a binary variable. So I've got these in parentheses and I'm saying miles per gallon is greater than or equal to 20 and miles per gallon is less than or equal to the max miles per gallon we have in the data of 41. So let's go ahead and make that variable. Now, the goal of today is to make this same variable using an easier syntax, and that is going to use the Inrange command. So for an example of the Inrange command, let's just do a basic sum if in range, we're going to open parentheses. We are going to name the variable we're talking about. So that's miles per gallon. The start of our range is 20 and the end of our range is 41 like this. And as you can see, our miles per gallon is correctly restricted to 20 and 41. So now I'm going to put this in the do file for the generate good miles per gallon using the Inrange. So we're going to generate a good miles per gallon variable the same way we did that sum in range, the variable, the start of the range, the end of the range. Then I'm going to add code here. I'm going to use the assert command, which we've talked about in a previous Sunday Stata tip. And I'm going to assert that for every record, the good miles per gallon one variable is exactly equal to the good miles per gallon two variable. Notice that we're using double equals because we're in Stata. So I'll run these two lines. Notice that we did generate this good miles per gallon two variable correctly, and there were no contradictions. There were no observations for which the good miles per gallon one was not equal to good miles per gallon two, which means these two definitions of the variable good miles per gallon are exactly the same, but this Inrange command made it a lot easier. If this Sunday Stata tip was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.